Alright folks, here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive, original smokestone metallic from factory. The paint is original. This is not a repaint. The paint looks great. Very little few tiny scratches that are hardly noticeable. My detail crew did an amazing job cleaning her up really well. Vehicle does have 2 door dings. That is about it. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go across the country to her new home. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have rear window tint only. That appears to be like a medium shade. You can see right through the vehicle. There is no tint on the front windows. Once again, no tint on the front windows. No holes on the body whatsoever, folks. Once again, vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, all PM services have been done. Folks, she doesn't need anything whatsoever, as I already have taken care of everything for you. Vehicle does have backup sensors, working backup sensors, and rear camera. Let me stop right here, folks. Vehicle does have very little tiny scratches. There's one right here. Let me see if I can clean this up here so you guys can see it. There's one right here, folks. I can't get there you go. I hope no neighbors are going out because I got to start all over again if that's what they're gonna do. But once again, I'm always in the way. Gorgeous looking vehicle, folks. Gorgeous looking vehicle. Folks, I gotta tell you, I did replace the wheel covers that came with the vehicle. The full wheel covers were replaced. I do have them in stock, buyer takes all. So I took them off the vehicle to go with the dog dishes. I prefer this look. However, if you want to go with the full wheel covers, that's something I can do. I'll go ahead and swap them out and send you on your way. Let me stop right here, folks. All 4 steel wheels are nice and gloss black from the department. Luckily, they did not need to be reconditioned. All 4 steel wheels are in nice looking shape. I gotta tell you, folks, the vehicle does have a new set of takeoff. Those are gonna be the 245s, 55 18s, if I'm not mistaken. That is correct. 245, 55 18s. New set of takeoff. The tires that came with the vehicle, they were in pretty bad shape. Let me backtrack here, folks. Got one door ding right here. Front passenger side door. There's one door ding right here. Once again, folks, it's my job to tell you what I see behind the lens. That way we are all in the same page. I do have a nice set of clear lights and lessons in the front. Everything does work, folks. This vehicle was a highway patrol detective unit. I do apologize, I did not cover that in the beginning of the video where I usually do. Once again, this was a highway patrol detective unit. The vehicle does look silver. It's not silver, it is going to be smokestone metallic. No holes on the body, folks, and I gotta tell you, this is gonna be an E85 unit. FLEXFUEL, okay. There you go, FLEXFUEL unit, folks. All right, let's go inside. Sorry, folks, I gotta make sure the lens is nice and clear, not blurry, even though sometimes I do make that little mistake. Folks, I do have a vinyl leather type rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place for this unit. Nice vinyl floor. Nice vinyl floor. Rear door locks are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle on this one. Rod is missing, but they do work, okay? Came this way from the department. Vehicle does have a nice set of door panels. All 4 door panels are very nice. Driver's side seat, nice and comfortable. Passenger side seat is also nice and comfortable. I am missing a center console, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. Vehicle did not come with one. I do apologize. So I didn't find anything that was reasonable. Everything was over $600 to put in place. Not sure if I want to do that or not. Hunk does work. Let's get inside. Folks, I'm not sure if you noticed that, but I do have two set of key fobs, 2 keys that came with the vehicle. There you go. Let's go ahead and fire her up.
Online donation. I'm Art Sanders, KNX News 97.1 FM. Repairs to storm-damaged roads in California will happen a lot faster than originally thought. Beaton 3 reports help is coming that could reopen Topanga Canyon Road in the next few months. Governor Gavin Newsom's emergency
there you go.
The
vehicle does have 141,000 miles.
Brewer with Caltrans Public Affairs in Sacramento says spending of up to $10 million on repairs can begin at once. The
1560 idle hours actually.
It allows
1560 idle hours on this unit.
And be given to make those roads safe.
Stereo
and travel.
Stereo does work. White LED, red LED. Courtesy lights do work. Super cold air conditioner, folks. Trunk release. Like, you got vehicle does have USB connection, auxiliary connection inline right here. Vehicle does have 2 working cigarette lighters right there as well. Let's go to the trunk and see what we got to work with. Folks, everything works in the vehicle. Stereo, everything does work, okay?
The whole world now headquartered just across from Chinatown near Union Station. President Biden said the Jesuit.
All right, let's continue. All right, folks, what you see is what you're gonna get. This is a gun safe bolt. All right, you can put your toys in there, no problem. Missing a key though, you can contact your local locksmith and see if they can get a key for you. I do have a brand new matching spare tire that came with the vehicle, so what you see is what you're gonna get. See, it's in place right there. All right, let's continue. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get this thing to focus. There you go. Very nice paint, very rare and unique. I'm not used to seeing these vehicles in a smokestone color. Usually they're white, black, silver, or charcoal gray. This one is pretty unique, folks. All right, one hand here. Let me see if I can make it work. Okay, I can. All right, I was able to do it. All right, folks, here's the engine on the vehicle, nice and quiet. No funny noises, no funny smells, no funny ticks, no funny clunks, nothing whatsoever. All right, let's focus in here real quick. Come on, I got all day here. All right, folks, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body will service and clean out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs on this unit. I do have full synthetic 520 oil service fluid and filter. Transmission was also serviced. Mercon LV was used to service that transmission. AC is nice and cold. Washer fluid was topped off. Coolant level was full. Brake fluid was full. Vehicle also does have a new battery, folks. That was a new battery. That, you know, the battery that came with the vehicle was dead, so I went to Costco and got a new battery there. There you go. What else? Vehicle also does have a new set of rear brakes and rear rotors. Front brakes were about 70%, so I went ahead and left those alone. Once again, rear brakes are new, rear rotors are new. Vehicle also does have a brand new Motorcraft cabin filter. Always replace those. Make sure you stick to Motorcraft. All right, let's continue. Folks, I'm making a good time in this video, which leads me to believe that I might have forgotten something, but if I do forget something, everything will be noted in my eBay description, folks. Once again, this is going to be a 2017 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive with 142,000 miles and only 1560 idle hours. Former Highway Patrol Detective Unit. This was not a patrol. What you see is what you're going to get. No holes on the body whatsoever, no holes in the interior whatsoever. No spotlights were ever installed on this unit, folks. Vehicle is just about in mint conditions. All right, folks, once again, I set you up for success on another great running looking vehicle. If you're interested in buying a vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me. Let's see if we can come to an agreement, folks. All right, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. Please take care, and I'll be seeing you around. Thank you for staying with me for these 11 minutes actually. All right, folks, gotta go. Take care. Bye.